Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I went from this to this using the new Healthy Hair Regimen Boosting Kit from the Main Choice that helps rejuvenate severely dehydrated, weak, brittle, and shedding hair and delivers relief from dry, itchy, flaky scalp. I also used some items from the Pink Lemonade and Coconut collection to finish off my style. So the first thing you do is you start off with dry hair, and in my case, dry, dirty hair. And you go in with the Mocha and Molasses Anti-Shedding Remedy. It's really thick. The molasses strengthens and reduces shedding. The coffee helps to stimulate and rejuvenate hair follicles. It improves shine and luster and is enriched with amino acids, copper, manganese, and B6. And like I said, you put this on dry hair. Before you even wash it, you leave it in for 30 minutes. Considering that the product is really thick, it did spread onto my hair really well. And as you can see, it already has a little bit of shine to it. And this is really dirty hair. I twist my hair up just to make it easier and so my hair doesn't get tangled up. And you let it sit in your hair for up to 30 minutes. Then you rinse it out. And I went in with the Pink Lemonade and Coconut shampoo. This shampoo is non-stripping, enhanced with antioxidants to minimize potentially damaging oxidizing agents, and is the perfect balance of clarification, moisture, and hydration, and it also enhances curls. After rinsing that out, I then went in with the CLARKSVILLE and Feverfew Herb Rehydration Therapy. It's a spray. The benefits are it is highly concentrated dose of hydration. The CLARKSVILLE helps give supreme hydration to hair and scalp, helps support overall health and scalp health, revives lifeless, dehydrated hair. And you use this after shampooing and spray it evenly on towel dried hair, including your scalp. And then you massage it into your scalp, comb through for even distribution, and leave it in your hair for 10 to 15 minutes. Y'all can see how really shiny my hair is, and I haven't even styled it yet. I haven't put any type of oil or anything in my hair. There are two versions to this. I used the first version where I use the CLARKSVILLE and Feverfew Herb Rehydration Therapy. You can also use the Silk Amino Acid and Keratin Reconstructor Treatment. It's basically a protein treatment. It's a concentrated shot of protein blend. Keratin strengthens and reduces breakage, fortifies hair that has been damaged from color, chemicals, and heat, and is gentle enough for those of us with protein-sensitive hair. Then I went in with the Pink Lemonade and Coconut Conditioner. And y'all, this stuff smells so good. It's enhanced with antioxidants, gives a beautiful texture while conditioning and enhancing curls, and it's lightweight and anti-frizz formulated. So going in with the conditioner, then I went in with my Tangle Tamer just to detangle, and then again I twisted up my hair just to make for easy dealing with. After rinsing out my conditioner, I used the triglyceride and mint scalp renewal. The triglycerides nourish, hydrate, and renew the scalp. The mint purifies, reduces itching and flakes, and balances your pH. And y'all, I love mint, anything on my scalp, because it lets me know that my scalp is clean. Fatty acids penetrate to condition the scalp, astringent and antibacterial properties. It reduces itching and flaking caused by eczema, dandruff, and other scalp ailments. And you use this after you shampoo and after you condition it. You apply it to a clean scalp. You massage it in, and you do not rinse this at all. And a few minutes after I finished massaging this into my scalp just felt so cool. Y'all, I love that feeling. It lets me know that my scalp is clean and that the products are actually penetrating my scalp instead of sitting on top of buildup on my scalp. So I really, really love this for my scalp, my dry, itchy scalp at that. And then I blotted the excess water out of my hair just so that it wouldn't take too long to dry before I then blew it out. Yes, I blew it out for this style because I get the best results that way. Now, for the sake of the video, I already did the majority of my hair. I'm going to show you guys how I did it. So I use the pink lemonade and coconut mousse. And it's the way to weightless curls and amazing volume. And as y'all will see, my curls were amazing. It gives you lightweight and anti-frizz roller sets. It renders beautiful texture while enhancing curls and is enhanced with antioxidants, just like the entire pink lemonade and coconut collection. What I did is put on some of the mousse and then I twist my roots just to keep them from frizzing up. And I make sure I have a lot of mousse towards my ends so my ends stay nice and smooth and do not get frizzy. And then I roll it up on the perm rod. The main thing you should do when rolling perm rods is to make sure that you're holding your hair very, very tight. You cannot do it loosely. It has to be tight to make sure that you don't get any frizz and that your hair is nice and smooth. So I'm going to show you guys up close where I put on the mousse, raked it through my hair, brushed it through my hair, and then I twisted at my roots to keep my roots from getting frizzy. Then I went in with a little bit more mousse and brushed it through again, and then began wrapping it on the perm rod. And as you can see, I made sure my ends were very smooth before I continued to roll up. And I continue to roll up very tightly. You can almost see how tight I'm rolling it. It doesn't hurt my head, but it is very tight. And then you clip it in place. And these are my results after I finish rolling. My hair isn't even dry, and look at that shine. Look at that shine. My hair is not even dried. So I sat under a hooded dryer for about 2 hours, 2.5 hours, I'd say. And these are my results. Now, I like to blow dry my hair before I do perm rods just because it allows my hair to get smoother. That's the best way for me. And it allows me to keep some of my length. And it doesn't make drying time last for days. Like, y'all, I was so scared to take them out because I usually have an issue with my hair not being completely dry. But this is exactly why I like doing my perm rods on dry hair, because the drying time is definitely cut in half. But look at those curls, y'all. Look at those curls. And my hair is still so shiny. And I didn't put anything on it other than the mousse. After using that Healthy Hair Regimen Boosting Kit, that's it, y'all. That is it. And look how shiny my hair is. My curls are everything. And then I'll go in and separate my curls, of course. So y'all, the Healthy Hair Regimen Boosting Kit can be found at Walgreens, and you can also find it on www.themainchoice.com. Also check them out on Instagram at themainchoice. But y'all, I'm loving my hair. I'm loving my hair. It's so soft, so shiny, and just, it's bigger than it usually is. Look at my hair. Look at the shine. Look at those curls. Y'all, I'm feeling my hair so much. And this is how I maintain it. I throw on a scarf around my edges just out of habit. And then I throw on my Main Choice bonnet. Now, when your hair grows, your bonnet needs to grow with it. So, y'all, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in my next video.